this pile that I think I'm still going to take some out of.
Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, Juice Squad. It is your boy Juice here, back with another banger. As always, guys, I missed you guys so much. If you guys missed the last episode, I'll be linking up top right here. Go check it out, show some love, and no peer pressure at all. But if you haven't already, please consider clicking that like button and subscribing to the channel to join the Juice Squad if you guys have been enjoying the content. We're on the road to 500 subscribers. I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have been showing to the channel lately. And I know I haven't posted recently. I've just been so busy, but I have so much planned. We have partnerships that are going to be set up, and I'm not going to speak too much on it because I don't want to get excited about it and then it not happen. But there's just a lot of content coming to the channel. After this banger, we have a few bangers lined up, so stay tuned for that. But in today's episode, it's kind of like a part 2 of the last episode. In the last episode, if you missed it, we went to a flea market and met up with a vendor who I guess was like an ex-toy shop owner, and we got a bunch of toys from her for really, really cheap. Like a bunch of vintage from 1990s, 1980s even to like early 2000s, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Marvel, DC action figures. And she said she had more, so we came back and she definitely did not disappoint. It was a pretty good haul, and I feel like I should have paid a little more. I didn't look up anything there, but when I got home and started looking up the comps, we definitely did really, really good. So I'm not gonna keep you guys here for too long. God first, God bless as always. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite pickup, and let's get into it.
Who's Maverick?
Maverick, it's a Christian band.
Where? Where?
They're stationed in Atlanta.
Really?
Yeah, I really like them.
Cool. Hey, great. You into hats, huh?
A little bit.
Just $10 help the troops at the Walter Reed Hospital in Maryland, please.
Okay. Actually, I think I like this one better.
No, Papa, take it.
Yeah, I like this one better.
Yours.
Let me see. I think my mom and dad really like this. How's it going?
Good, man. How's business?
You know what? I can't complain. I cannot complain. Hey.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How's everything been going? Hey, how's it going? Nice to see you again.
Just trying to go through all the bins. I haven't made it there yet.
How's the whole process been? Of like the storage and stuff?
This is half of it.
Wow. Okay. Some more action figures. I think I actually picked this one up from her the other day. Last time I was here. Got him. 2013 cap. Oh, this dude lights up, sounds up. Alright, talk to me. Where are you from, my boy? Do you mind if I start making a pie?
Make a pot. I don't have the bags again.
No, it's okay.
Forget one thing. I think there's more for nothing too.
This is a good one. 2008. Yeah, this is really cool.
Let's fly over there and check it out. Time for action on the ground.
Bunch of Barbies. I don't know anything about Barbies. feel like it's bad. I don't know who this is. That's a nice toy.
Okay, I should take it to the car if you want it.
2010. Let's see what else I can find.
You want Star Wars figures too, or I have Star Wars figures?
I'm into all types of figures. So let's start with this one now. Yeah.
I had 3 bins of them. I think they took it. I had a bunch of bins. They gave me what they want, what she wanted.
Okay.
That's cool. I haven't seen one like that. I know that's vintage, but I don't really know what year. I haven't looked it up.
What is this, like a biker helmet?
I don't know. It's so cute. I don't know if it's a biker helmet or old costume helmet.
Wow. I'll definitely I'll help you find it, and then if I'm like if I find what it is, I'm interested in buying it.
I never looked it up. Never even bothered. I mean, I just pulled it out yesterday. I never even bothered last night. That's too lazy.
Maybe I can find his other hand. I think this is really cool. Like, I'd keep this for my personal collection. So far, that's the pile. And it's a little helmet for now, I guess. I don't know, it might be old. I guess we'll figure it out. Figure it all out together. These two for sure. This whole thing is full of Hot Wheels. I believe I'm ready. Or ready to start.
You ready for first?
Yeah. This pile that I think I'm still going to take some out of.
How many are there?
Let me,
1, 2, 3, 4. One has a broken arm.
yeah, that was my favorite one. I'm still trying to find his arm, but at this very moment, let's see.
13 in total.
Yeah, 13, and then this,
Armors and that.
and
You want
then
the helmet too?
yeah, it just looks cool.
Right? Isn't it?
I just think it looks cool. Like even though the stickers are gone, it just like gives me like old, like I can put it like on a shelf next to this like wall thing.
Yeah.
I like it. I'm thinking about keeping this honestly for my future house. Just put it in like a little man cave area.
That's cool.
I really like it. Where'd you get it from? Or
I have no idea. Yeah, so I think there might be some more over there.
yeah, I saw some more, but I'm really a big Spiderman fan, so
That's cool.
I'm.
And especially the movie that just came out.
Yeah, the movie was good.
How much would you do for all of it?
Um.
What are you thinking? I don't want to take any of it home.
No, I understand, but at the same time, I don't want to.
And how much are you thinking? Oh, thank you. Let me give you change.
Okay, so right now I'm trying to get this down to $20. But I'm trying to do it in a very fair way that we're both happy. So if I was to get this down to $20, what would you take out? I'm trying to get in the $15, $20 range.
I know you like that guy with his broken arm, so I'll throw him in. I don't mind. I guess I'd take out this guy and that guy and do that. And that's for $20 for you. What's this?
Take out these two?
I'll do that. That's for $20.
Okay. So what's the best that we could do with these two included?
25?
25 for everything? Sure. 25 we got. Here we go. Let me.
Just 'cause, like I said, I want to go.
No, I understand. But I just wanted to be fair. I didn't want to just disrespect you with like a low offer like that. Here you go. 25.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you. And then I'll probably, after I walk through, come back to carry these all to the car.
Alright, Juice Squad, we have made it back to the house, and guys, today was an absolute blessing, an absolute banger, guys. She blessed us with the toys, and we paid a pretty good price for the amount of stuff on our table. We didn't look anything up, and we just took a shot in the dark, and we definitely came up good. If you guys are interested in anything you guys see on the table, remember to DM me over on Instagram at VintageJuice. If you show me you are subbed to the channel, you will automatically get a discount on whatever you want. That is my thanks for you guys watching my channel. So thank you so much. Link will always be in the description. Now let's get into it. So I think overall we spent about $30, if I'm not correct. $30 on everything, and let's just see how we did, starting with this little helmet. This, we talked about it there, and we had no idea what it was. Obviously, it's like a little helmet. We didn't know if it was like for display. We didn't know really what it was. I thought these stickers meant nothing, but this says 1964. So I looked up when I got home, 1964 Batman helmet, and supposedly it's like actually from 1964. It's, I guess, for like a costume, worth anywhere from $40 to $70. I mean, those are the two listed. No sold comps, because obviously it's a little older, so it could be going for that much, or it could be going for less. So I'm gonna say save $30 to $40 on this. We already made all our money back with this one helmet, but let's get into it. We got a few more oldies right here. We have this 1997 Spiderman. He's a little beat up, and he's not that expensive. He's worth about maybe $10 to $20 if I remember correctly. Still thought it was really cool pickup. This Batman, I swear if I had his arm, that he would be such a good pickup. So this actually isn't even an action figure. This is rather a statue. And with his arm, he's worth about $30 to $60. Without the arm, hopefully I can get at least $15 for him. So, I mean, we already made all our money back with this. So any money we make off of this is just pure profit. This 2013 Darth Vader with his broken lightsaber, it's worth about $20. This is probably the newest thing, or like the most recent things in this collection that we got. We have this 2017 Tom Holland
Homecoming Spider-Man with his little wings, makes sounds and stuff. He's worth about $20. The new movie came out not too long ago, and I still hope the Spider-Man hype is still there. We actually picked this Batman up in the last episode when we went to her. She had another one, picked him up. I think he's worth about $20, so cannot complain at all. Luke Skywalker from the same, I guess, set from the Darth Vader, but he's not as expensive. He's only worth about $10. We have this little Spidey right here, another $10 one, $10 on the Batman, and this Green Goblin, I think from 2014, is about $20. 2013, 2014. I think that's a 2014. This one I expected a little more because it was the only one in the box, still sealed, but it's only worth about $10. So overall, we spent $30 and we're easily past the 100 range, even if I don't get as much as I'm really asking for them, right? These are just projected numbers. We'll see what happens when I actually sell them. But we did overall really good. And then also in the back, we got this it's like a wooden display piece. I just thought it was really cool because I'm an intense Spider-Man fan. So I thought this was really cool. It has like a little coloring, but I don't really plan on selling this. If somebody can help me even find what this is, I'm trying to look it up. I didn't even know a price for if I were to sell it, but I just think it's really cool. The only hints I have is this sticker on the back that says 2012 Marvel. So I don't know, I think it's cool. Like, imagine this in my future office, like above my desk, on the wall as a decoration. I don't know, thought it was cool. Overall, today was an absolute dub. If you guys enjoyed the video and aren't a part of the Juice Squad, please consider dropping that like and subscribing. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And peace and love, baby. God first, God bless as always. Peace out.